Lord, if you don't help me, I can't get through this. I can't. Lord, I'm too old for games. Foolishness. And I'm tired of rhetoric. Meaningless rhetoric that never changes things. Lord, just help me. Help me.
I was feeling God's pain, and I've never had anything that's been any worse to God in my 50 years that wasn't born in agony. Never, never. Dead and empty. And I know that sermons won't do it. I know that Revelation won't do it. Covenant won't do it.